In this training video, I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited free traffic directly to your affiliate link. Now, you can be promoting any type of affiliate product. It could be digital, it could be physical, it could be Digistore 24, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. I'm going to show you how to solve your traffic problems and how to start generating traffic, free traffic, to your affiliate offer. And I'm also going to give you the proven product, the proven affiliate product that's converting with this free traffic source. Now remember, traffic is the king in this business. If you can learn how to generate traffic and you become an expert when it comes to traffic generation, 80% of the problem has been solved. The other 20% is related to funnel, bridge page, landing page, email swipes, and conversions. So 80% of the problem is traffic. So learn how to master traffic. It could be paid, it could be free, and stick to one traffic source and become a professional. Because once you do that, you will able to promote any product, any system, any course, any affiliate link, and you will able to potentially start seeing results and sales. So I have decided to share one of the free traffic sources in this tutorial video and give you the proven product that's converting with this free traffic source. Now, just because this one product is converting with this free traffic source does not mean that it's going to convert with other free traffic sources. Perhaps it doesn't even mean that it's going to convert with paid traffic source. This is where people get things wrong. Just because one product is converting very good with one traffic source, they decide to scale this and take it to the next level. So they start to promote that product with different traffic sources, and then it doesn't convert and they start to lose hope. You need to understand, every traffic source is not equal. Every traffic source performs differently. So just because one product is converting with one traffic source does not mean it's going to convert with another traffic source. So let me show you step by step which traffic source I'm talking about, which product's converting with this traffic source, and how you can get started. Okay. Now, if you don't know me, my training has helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have become mentors, coach, and multi seven-figure earners. Okay. So if you follow my recommendations, my training to the T, and take massive action with a positive mindset, I promise you will potentially see results. Okay. So what I want to do here is I want to solve your 80% of the problem. 99.9% people fail online is because of traffic generation. They don't know how to get traffic. So first of all, you need to get traffic. What is traffic? Real human eyeballs to your offer, to your course, to your product. First get that. Once you start getting traffic, hundreds of visitors every single day, then it's time to see what's going on. Why are you not making any money? Why the results are not coming in when you're getting traffic? Okay. If you're not getting traffic, there is no use in wasting any time and energy in thinking why you're not making money. It's simple. You're not getting traffic. Okay. So first let's learn how to get traffic, how to generate real human visitors. And once we learn how to generate traffic and getting hundreds of visitors every single day, then it's time to actually optimize and see what is going on. Why are we not getting the results? What's going on? Then it's easy. The other 20% is easy. But first you need to solve how to get traffic. Okay. So I have decided to help you in this video with one traffic source. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to share a couple of more traffic sources, which will include free traffic source, paid traffic source. But with this one, I'm going to share one of the free traffic sources, and I'm also going to give you the proven product that's converting, so you don't have to test, because it's all about testing. But this proven product is converting already with this one traffic source. So you can get started today. No more excuse. Okay. So let's get into this. First of all, we're going to go into ClickBank and we're going to choose a ClickBank product. For this purpose, we're going to choose this product because this product is converting. Now, this is related to weight loss and diet, and this product is converting very, very good with this one traffic source, okay? And I'm going to prove it to you because other people are promoting as well, and there's a reason why they're promoting, because it's making money. All right? So how do you get this product? You just come to the top, okay? And you just type in this keyword here into ClickBank, okay? And this first product is going to come up. You want to get your affiliate link. So click on get affiliate link, put in your nickname here. Click on continue, scroll down, and you're going to find this, okay? This is what you're going to see. This is what we want, all right? We're going to copy that. And remember, we're going to actually shorten this. And then we're going to go to a traffic source. Now, which is a free traffic source, okay? There are plenty of free traffic sources. Now, I'm going to share the traffic source that's converting with this product, okay? Now, just because this product is converting with that traffic source does not mean that this product is going to convert with other traffic sources. Now, when it comes to traffic generation, there's something else that you need to remember, and that is targeted traffic. We are looking for qualified traffic. If your offer is related to weight loss and diet, but your offer, you're bringing people who's seeing the offer who is interested in gardening, you're not going to get sales, okay? So you need to understand this, and you need to remember that we are looking for qualified traffic, targeted traffic. And the traffic source is Instagram. Instagram is a free traffic source which you can use, okay, and start to build momentum. Now, remember, persistent is the key to success, okay? You have to do this on a daily basis, and I would recommend anywhere from 3 to 5 posts daily in the beginning, in the starting, to boost the algorithm of Instagram. So the Instagram algorithm will see, wow, this guy is consistently posting every single day. Let's give him a boost, and that boost is going to bring you followers, it's going to bring you requests, messages, and also traffic, okay? So in the beginning, I recommend you do 3 to 5 posts on a daily basis. Now, if you go to the search, all right, and you click on Smoothie 20 Day, you can see this person has 62,000 followers. And look at this link. This is a ClickBank affiliate link promoting this product called the 21-day smoothie diet, okay? Why are these people promoting? Now, this is just one example. There are several people on Instagram that has an account and promoting this one product. And why are they doing it? Because they're making money, okay? If something is making money, why would someone want to waste their time, valuable time, on something that's not going to make them and produce any kind of results, okay? Now, this is very, very easy. What you need to do is create a free Instagram account, okay? And get some ideas from this profile. So you can see this profile, get some idea, all right? And create your own profile. Or you could just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, hey, I have an Instagram account. I am promoting a Smoothie 21-day challenge program. Can you give me a description that I could put in my profile that will drive qualified traffic to my link? And ChatGPT will come up with the best ideas that you can just copy and paste, okay? Now, when you get your affiliate link from here, bear in mind that you need to shorten this, okay? I do see some people who have started to take action, all right, and creating Instagram accounts. But what they're doing is they're putting a direct ClickBank affiliate link into their Instagram profile. Do not do that. You're going to get suspended. You're going to get in trouble, okay? You want to shorten it. Now, to shorten it, you can use Bitly, you can use Rebrand, you can use TinyURL. Just shorten that link and put it in here, and every time you start to post, you're going to see a result. Now, don't expect anything to happen for the first 2 to 4 weeks, okay? Remember, you're getting started. You're warming things up. So don't expect anything to happen. Just every day, 3 to 5 posts every single day. Keep on posting until the Instagram algorithm picks it up and starts to give you the boost, and you're going to see followers coming in. You're going to start seeing friend requests. You're going to start seeing messages, and you're going to see so much cool stuff happening, and people are going to start seeing your link, clicking your link, and they're going to start to you're going to start seeing some sales and commissions coming in. Okay, so don't expect anything to happen for the first 2 to 4 weeks, and this is only if you're doing it every single day. If you're doing it once a week, then don't expect to see any kind of result for the next 3 years. In fact, never. Because I see some people coming to free traffic sources, they posted one day, and then the second post came after 1 month. What do you think? Do you really think you're going to make money like this? No, it's not going to work like that. This is a free traffic source. It requires persistence, it requires consistency, it requires you to do it on a daily basis until the algorithm knows exactly what you're doing, what you're trying to do, okay, and what is your content all about, what is your profile all about, and they're going to start they're going to start boosting your posts and get you some qualified traffic. So do this on a daily basis, every single day, all right, 3 to 5 posts every single day, and do it until 4 weeks. And after 4 weeks, you're going to start seeing things happening, okay? Things are starting to change. When you go into your ClickBank account, you're going to see those analytics, those traffic coming in. You're going to see order form impression counts. You might not see any sales yet, but then slowly, it's going to add up. The traffic's going to start increasing, and then slowly, you're going to start seeing sales, okay? So this has to be done every single day. And then after 4 weeks, does that mean that you stop posting? No, you just continue to do it every single day. What I'm trying to say is, don't expect results for the first 4 weeks. Just do it. Listen to my advice. Do it. You will thank me later for this. And you will say this was one of the best advice I have ever followed in my life.